So you've booked a technical training course with Cadspec. We're excited to welcome you. To help you prepare, here is a quick rundown of what to expect from start to finish. Step 1, registration. Now that you've booked the slot for your chosen course, you'll receive a link to our Cadspec delegate registration form. This helps us get to understand you a bit more. Name, contact details, previous experience, and even your dietary requirements. So we can cater for everything that you need. You've got all of your confirmations, now you're ready for your training. Let us know what you want to cover in your bespoke courses and we can make sure that we tailor this experience just for you. Step number 2, confirmation emails. This is important. Now that we've got your details, we'll send you an email confirming where your course is and when it's scheduled. We'll then look to register your training on your behalf with Autodesk and get a separate email from them so you can then create your Autodesk learning account if indeed you haven't got one. So this is where the course will be registered, making it easy for you to track your progress, access all your details after you've attended. Did you know we can do classroom training, remote, or we can come to you? Step number 3, course details. 2 weeks before the course, you'll receive an invitation from our Airtable system with all of the key information that you need. Dates, timings, trainer information, directions, and more. This is really important. If you don't get this information from us, please make contact and we'll make sure you get what you need. Step number 4, your pre-course check-in. Your instructor will reach out to you before the course to ensure that you've got everything that you need and to answer any questions that you might have. So once you've arrived, you'll have your own assigned training equipment with all the relevant software that you need for the training course. So there's no need to bring your own. This includes the manual, the post-training guides, and they'll all be at your desk. Help yourself to some of the refreshments while you're there and get yourself settled in. Your instructor will kick things off with a quick overview of what to expect. So we keep the courses informal and interactive. You'll have plenty of opportunities to ask questions with regular breaks throughout the day. This allows you to retain the information that we're sharing with you. So in need of some fresh air, feel free to step outside during your break. As part of your course, we provide all the refreshments. Lunches are provided and sourced locally based around your dietary requirements. If you'd rather bring your own, then you're more than welcome to do so. Training continues at a pace that suits everyone. If you're working ahead, don't worry, our instructors often provide extra exercises for those who want to challenge themselves. Finally, at the end of each day, we allow time for reflection and final questions. On the very last day, we'll go through the next steps on how to access your online certification. Check out our other videos with regards to how to download your certificate. To wrap up, at Cadspec, we want you to get the most out of your training experience. We want you to go and apply what you've learned. If you've got questions before or indeed after your training course, reach out to one of the Cadspec team. Thank you for listening. We'll see you next time.